Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you like singing? Do you like singing? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, very hungry. Yes, very hungry. Do you drink milk? Do you drink milk? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Can you come early tomorrow? Can you come early tomorrow? Yes, I will try. Yes, I will try. Are you new here? Are you new here? Yes, I just came. Yes, I just came. Do you trust me? Do you trust me? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can you drive a bike? Can you drive a bike? Yes, easily. Yes, easily. Are you going out? Are you going out? Yes, for a walk. Yes, for a walk. Do you have time now? Do you have time now? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Can you send me the photo? Can you send me the photo? Yes, I will send it. Yes, I will send it. Are you using the laptop? Are you using the laptop? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you like English songs? Do you like English songs? Yes, I love them. Yes, I love them. Can you help me carry this? Can you help me carry this? Yes, give it to me. Yes, give it to me. Do you work on Sundays? Do you work on Sundays? No, it's my off day. No, it's my off day. Can you write your name here? Can you write your name here? Sure, I can. Sure, I can. Are you going by bus? Are you going by bus? Yes, by bus. Yes, by bus. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Can you wait outside? Can you wait outside? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Yes, with you. Yes, with you. Do you know her? Do you know her? Yes, she is my friend. Yes, she is my friend. Can you come closer? Can you come closer? Okay, I am coming. Okay, I am coming. Are you ready for the exam? Are you ready for the exam? Yes, I studied well. Yes, I studied well. Do you have a charger? Do you have a charger? Yes, take it. Yes, take it. Can you clean the table? Can you clean the table? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Are you busy tonight? Are you busy tonight? No, I am free. No, I am free. Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Yes, I love them. Yes, I love them. Can you tell me the truth? Can you tell me the truth? Yes, I will be honest. Yes, I will be honest. Are you watching YouTube? Are you watching YouTube? Yes, just a video. Yes, just a video. Can you help me find this place? Can you help me find this place? Yes, follow me. Yes, follow me. Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling sad? No, I am okay. No, I am okay. Do you want anything? Do you want anything? No, I am fine. No, I am fine. Can you open the window? Can you open the window? Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Are you coming tomorrow? Are you coming tomorrow? Yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. Do you know this song? Do you know this song? Yes, I have heard it. Yes, I have heard it. Can you give me your email? Can you give me your email? Yes, write it down. Yes, write it down.